To raise healthy birds, you need nutritious feed. In this video, we'll talk about the different types of feed available for your flock. The first step in selecting a feed that's right for your birds is choosing a feed that has the word starter, grower, finisher, developer, or layer in the title. Those terms mean that your feed will be a complete feed, meaning it contains all of the nutrients your birds need to be healthy and productive. You can refer to the tag, ask your local feed dealer, or go to www.trownutrition.ca for more information on any of our feeds. These complete feeds can come in different forms. Mash feed is ground and loose in form. The biggest downside to mash is that there can often be waste when feeding to backyard flocks. Pelleted feeds are our most common form of complete poultry feeds. And making a pellet is kind of like making spaghetti. A feed mill takes ground ingredients, adds steam to bind those ingredients together, and then pushes those ingredients through a die to make spaghetti-like strings. We then cut those spaghetti-like strings very short to be used as feed for poultry. Afterwards, we cool and dry the pellets to make a uniform product with great shelf life. Pelleted feeds provide the greatest nutrient intake and feed conversion. They also tend to have the least amount of waste. Crumbles are pellets that have been broken down into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces are great for young birds. Crumbles offer the same benefits as pelleted feeds, greater nutrient intake and feed conversion for backyard flocks. Scratch is a combination of grains, often corn, oats, barley, or wheat, meant to be fed as a treat. Scratch is not a complete feed, and alone, it does not provide the nutrients necessary to raise a healthy flock. Scratch should be no more than about 5% of what your hens eat. That being said, it's very enjoyable to throw out a small amount of scratch and watch your hens forage around their pen or coop. Thanks for watching our video on different types of feed. Please check out our other poultry videos and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can also find more information about our products at www.trownutrition.ca.